What's going on, guys? My name is Lindsay, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to make money posting ads online. Now, this is going to be a new strategy because I have covered this topic before on this channel, but it's more geared towards affiliate marketing. So we will be doing a different strategy, a different business model in this video. Now, anything that I cover in this video, in the description box below this video, I'm going to include a link to the video show notes, so you'll find additional resources and videos that's going to help you with this strategy. And if you found this video helpful while you're liking it, make sure you leave a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below in the comment box below, and I will respond to all comments. So let's go ahead and let's dive into the content. Now, in order for this strategy to work, you do need to have a startup budget of anywhere from a few $100s up to maybe about $500. Now, I will explain in the video why you need this money, but it's not towards advertising, okay? So the actual strategy that we're going to be talking about in this video is drop shipping. Now, with drop shipping, we will not be using Facebook ads. We will not be using Shopify. This is a different strategy that we'll be using, and you'll be leveraging free organic traffic to get people to your ads, so that way you can generate some sales. So right now we're on eBay.com, and on eBay, this is where we're going to actually find the products that we're going to post in our ads to generate some sales. So when you come over here to eBay, you want to enter a keyword or a niche that you are potentially looking to sell items in. So right now on eBay, I have put in kitchen tools. And as you can see here, we have different listings coming up for kitchen tools that are being sold on the website. But with this first one right here, we can see that over 380 have been sold. So if we go ahead and click on this particular listing, we can see how much it costs. We can also see, that it comes with free shipping and everything else. So let's go ahead and decide that this is going to be the item that we're going to sell. So what we're going to do is, the first thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and grab some of the product images. So you can grab some of the product images with a white background, or you can even use product images that have a colorful background, or this one has like a wood background or whatever else. Make sure you grab a couple of pictures, and if it's an item that has different angles, make sure you grab those pictures, so that way when you are listing this ad on the social media platform that we're going to use, they can actually get a good idea of what they're going to purchase. And the next thing you also need to determine is, once you see what the price is for the item on eBay, you need to make sure that you mark up that item at least 30%. Now, some people will do 10, 15, 20%. It's all depending on how much profit you want to make. It also kind of depends on the item as well. So with this one, we're just going to mark it up, and we're going to probably list this item for about $24. So the next thing we need to do is, we're coming over here to Facebook, and we need to go to Marketplace. Now, Marketplace is going to be like a little shop icon up here. You just want to go ahead and click on it. Now, what you need to do next is you want to come over here and you want to click Create New Listing. And then you want to list an item for sale. And right here, this is where we're going to create our ad to post for free onto Facebook Marketplace. So those pictures that you just grabbed from eBay, you want to go ahead and you want to add them here. Now that you have your pictures listed, the next thing you need to do is you need to give this a title. So if you come back over to eBay, what most people will do is they'll just copy and paste this directly into Marketplace. You can change it up just a little bit. It totally depends on how you want to do it. I'm just going to use the first half of this just for this video, so this video won't be too long. So I'm going to go ahead and put that as the title. And then we want to give it the price of $24. Again, we have already marked it up. The next thing you need to do is you need to choose a category. So choose a category in which you want to list your item. And underneath the actual category tab, you can see that Facebook has already populated some categories that we can use. So we're going to go ahead and use kitchen tools and utensils. You want to make sure that you list the condition as new. And I don't put any brand information here. If your item has a distinctive color, go ahead and choose a color option. And then right here, you want to include a description. So some of the things I would like to put first is like, yes, this item is still available. And you want to do this because when people see your item on Marketplace, they don't see the buy button right off the bat. So they're probably going to send you a message just asking you if the item is still available. So to kind of so you don't get so many of those messages, include that in your description. You can also include terms like fast shipping. You can also say brand new, still in the box, something like that, whatever. And then you want to include a description of the item. So if you come back over here to eBay and you scroll down just a little bit, they're going to include some information about the product here. Like I said, some people will just copy and paste this. What you can do is you can just make sure that when you are creating your description that it's in plain English for the actual potential buyer to understand. If there's any dimensions or specifications of the particular item, make sure you include all that in the description. Any information that will be helpful for the buyer to actually purchase your product, you want to include that information there. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to include the available quantity that you have available. So you can leave it as 1, you can list as 5, you can list as 10. It's totally up to you. Now, at the beginning of the video, I talked about how you need to have a budget of at least $100 to maybe about $500. Now, the reason why you want to do this is because when you are listing items onto Facebook Marketplace, even though you are not paying for any paid advertising and you're leveraging the free traffic from Facebook to get people to view your ads, when somebody actually purchases an item from you that you have posted on Marketplace, when you go over to eBay, you will have to purchase that item out of pocket first and send that item to the customer. Now, when you do this, eBay will actually give you a tracking number, and you want to include that tracking number into Facebook. The reason why you want to do this is because when somebody makes a purchase on Marketplace, Facebook holds that money, and they will not pay you out until the item is confirmed delivered, and it's been 5 days after it's been confirmed delivered. So it's important for you to not only purchase the item initially, but you also need to include that tracking number. You have 5 days to include that tracking information inside of Facebook, and that's how they're able to know when to actually pay you out. So you want to definitely make sure that you do that. Now, if you only have about maybe $100 or $200 to start with, what you want to do is when you go over to eBay, you want to find lower price items, maybe like about $17, $15, $12 or something like that, where you can make small profits. And then you can turn those small profits and reinvest those back into your money to actually list items that cost $20, $30. So you have the potential to earn more in profit with those particular sales. So that's the reason why you need to make sure that you have a small budget of a few $100s up to $500 to get started with this strategy. So next we have is product tags. So you want to enter at least up to 20 product tags or keyword phrases that people would probably use in order to try to find your product. So you want to put things like kitchen tools. You can do like kitchen utensils or something like that. But you definitely want to make sure that you include some keywords here. Now, the next thing you see right here is hide from friends. So you have the option right now that whenever you post items onto Marketplace, that you want to hide those items from your friends and family on Facebook. If you don't care, you can just leave this off. If you do care and you don't want them to see what you're posting, you want to go ahead and just turn that on. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you choose the shipping only option. Now, I already have this activated on my end, and the shipping only option is only available in the United States right now. They will be slowly rolling it out to additional countries over time, but right now this is only available for the United States. And when you choose a shipping only option, this is when Facebook is going to prompt you to enter your bank account information. And the reason why you need to do this is because if you want to get paid out by Facebook, you have to enter that information. So go ahead and enter that information so you have access to the shipping option where you can ship the items out to the customer, whoever purchases. And then this is how you're also going to get paid out from Facebook. And then you want to use your own shipping label. And you can include a shipping rate here. So you can put like maybe $3 or $4 for the shipping rate. Or if you want to offer free shipping, you just want to choose that option here. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to click on next. And then you have the option where you can allow offers. So if you post something on Marketplace, but you're willing to sell it for a lower price than what you have listed, what you can do here is you can turn this on and you can let Facebook know the minimum amount that you'll consider for an offer. I like to go ahead and keep this off because the price that I have listed is what I want for that item. And you want to click on next. And then they give you the option right here where you can post not only into Marketplace, but in additional buy and sell Facebook groups. Now, in order for this to populate in the previous in the previous part of this posting, you will have to turn this off in order to do that, okay? But I like to just post right into Marketplace. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on Publish. Now you see that the listing is active. They will usually tell you that your listing is in review. It only takes about maybe a few minutes, and then it is actually live on Marketplace. And that's all you need to do. Now, once you have received an order, the next thing you need to do is you need to come back over here to eBay. You need to go ahead and purchase the item. Make sure you include the buyer's shipping details and the information on eBay so that the product is actually shipped to them, and then when you get paid out by Facebook, that money goes directly into your account. So in this video, I share with you a new strategy where you can actually make money posting ads online. Now, I have a full video about this on my channel where it's going to share with you step by step how to get started with Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. And also in the description box below this video, again, make sure you go ahead and click on that link to get access to the show notes for this video so you can get additional resources that's going to help you to have success with this strategy. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Also, let me know in the comment section below what stood out to you in this strategy, and would this be a strategy that you'll actually try? Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.